Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp username new update not showing problem. So let's see how to fix this problem. For fixing this problem, first of all go to Play Store or App Store and then click on search app, search for WhatsApp. Update your WhatsApp in latest version. If you cannot see update option here, then go back to home screen and then long press on WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp app info, click on I button or app info. Here you can see archive option. Just click on this option and then click on restore. Now wait for completing restore process. After completing restore process, now open WhatsApp. Click on three dot icon. Click on settings. Now go to your profile and see username option showing now. If still username option not showing, then go back to WhatsApp main settings and then scroll down. Go to help and feedback option. Click on send feedback option. Now here describe your issue in details. After describe your issue, now send your report. Just click on send option. After this step, I hope your problem will be solved successfully.